If you're looking to make money online in 2025, you have clicked on the right video. I have been immersed in the affiliate marketing for the past 2 years, and during this time, I have discovered numerous affiliate networks that can help you generate impressive revenue for your online business. Today, we are diving into the 7 best affiliate networks you need to join if you want to start earning big in 2025. I'm Nandakishore, digital marketer and content creator. If you're new to this channel, I encourage you to watch this video completely till the end. If you find it helpful, then go ahead and like this video and subscribe to this channel for more valuable content like this. Let's dive in without further delay. Affiliate marketing is one of the most easiest and scalable ways to make money online. All you have to do is promote a brand's products or services, and when someone buys through your referral link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. But here is the catch. Choosing the right affiliate network is the key. With so many options out there, how do you know which ones are worth your time? Well, I'm here to help. Let's get into it. Now, starting at number 7, we have ShareASale. ShareASale is one of the most well-known affiliate marketing platforms trusted by thousands of merchants and affiliates alike. It's been around for over 20 years, which speaks to its reliability and success. What makes ShareASale stand out is its massive range of products and services across virtually every niche you can think of. From fashion to tech, health and wellness to digital products. The user interface is intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and experienced marketers to find and join affiliate programs that match their interests and audience. And the earning potential? It's fantastic. ShareASale offers competitive commission rates along with reliable payouts. Plus, ShareASale's integration tools are super user-friendly with options for linking affiliate products to your site quickly, whether it's through banners, deep links, or even custom links. What I love about ShareASale is its variety. There is something for everyone, and they continue to add new programs regularly. If you're looking for solid and well-established affiliate networks, ShareASale is definitely worth checking out. Next up, we have got FlexOffers. FlexOffers is another powerful affiliate networks that has been around for quite some time, offering thousands of affiliate programs across a wide range of industries. What makes it unique is its focus on providing a seamless experience for both affiliates and advertisers. With FlexOffers, you can find affiliate programs in niches like health, finance, travel, fashion, and even education. Whether you are into promoting tech gadgets or online courses, there is a program for you. The platform's dashboard is easy to navigate, making it simple to track your earnings, manage your links, and discover new opportunities. You can easily search for programs that match your content or audience. One of the standout features of FlexOffers is its competitive commission structure. You can earn commissions through pay-per-sale, pay-per-click, or even pay-per-lead, depending on the program you are promoting. They offer a reliable payment system with multiple payout options, including direct deposits, checks, and even wire transfer. Plus, FlexOffers is known for its timely payment, so you won't be left waiting for your hard-earned commissions. FlexOffers is a solid choice for affiliates who want to access to a wide variety of affiliate programs and commission structures. If you're looking to diversify your affiliate marketing portfolio, this network is definitely worth checking out. Next on our list is PartnerStack, a rapidly growing affiliate network tailored for SaaS products and B2B tools. If you're in the tech niche or your audience consists of entrepreneurs and professionals, PartnerStack is an excellent choice. What sets PartnerStack apart is its focus on recurring commissions. This means you don't just earn for the initial sale, but also for the ongoing subscriptions. It's perfect for promoting tools like project management, software, CRM products, and marketing automation tools. Some of the popular brands you can partner with include Monday.com, Typeform, and ActiveCampaign. These are tools businesses love and use daily, making it easier for you to pitch them to your audience. PartnerStack also stands out for its easy-to-use dashboard. It lets you track your referrals, monitor earnings, and access marketing resources all in one place. Plus, the onboarding process is smooth with plenty of support to get you started. Pro tip: look for programs offering high-value recurring commissions. The compounding effect of monthly payout can build a solid income streams over time. So, if you want to partner with industry-leading SaaS brands and earn passive income, PartnerStack is a must-join network. Coming in at number 4, ClickBank, one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate marketing networks out there. If you're looking for high commission opportunities, this is the platform for you. ClickBank is known for its vast marketplace of digital products, including ebooks, online courses, and software. The commissions here are some of the best in the industry, ranging from 40% to as high as 75% depending on the product. This makes it an ideal choice for affiliates focused on digital niches like health, wealth, and personal development. One of the unique features of ClickBank is its gravity score. This metric shows how well a product is performing for other affiliates, helping you pick high converting products to promote. Whether you're a blogger or social media influencer, ClickBank gives you the tools to start earning quickly. Their easy to use dashboard lets you track clicks, conversion, and commissions with ease. Pro tip: to succeed on ClickBank, focus on promoting evergreen products in the high demand niches like fitness, self-help, and digital marketing tools. These categories often attract a loyal and repeat customer base. With its high commission rates, diverse product offerings, and global reach, ClickBank is the perfect choice for affiliates who want to focus on their earnings in 2025. Moving on to network number 3, CJ Affiliate. CJ Affiliate, formerly known as Commission Junction, is one of the biggest and most well-established affiliate marketing networks out there. With a long track record of success, it's trusted by top brands and affiliates alike. What sets CJ Affiliate apart is its vast network of high-quality brands and advertisers. Whether you are into promoting big-ticket items or everyday products, CJ offers a wide array of options across virtually every niche: fashion, tech, health, beauty, and much more. CJ Affiliate is known for offering competitive commission rates and various payment models, including pay-per-click, pay-per-sale, and pay-per-lead. Another standard feature is CJ's robust reporting tools, which gives you deep insights into your campaign performance. You can track clicks, conversions, and commissions, helping you optimize your strategy to maximize your earnings. If you're serious about affiliate marketing and want to partner with top-tier brands, CJ Affiliate is a fantastic option. With its excellent reputation, diverse product offerings, and reliable payouts, it's a network that can take your affiliate marketing efforts to next level. Now let's talk about the network number 2, Impact. Impact is an affiliate marketing network that's gained a lot of traction in recent years, and for good reason. This platform works with some of the top brands in the world, offering affiliates a chance to promote high quality products while earning competitive commissions. Some of the major brands you'll find on Impact include household names like Uber, Adobe, and Nike. So if you want to promote trusted, well-known brands, Impact is a great place to start. The variety is impressive too, whether you are promoting digital products, physical products, or even services. Impact has something for every niche: fitness, tech, travel, e-commerce, and much more. When it comes to commission rates, Impact offers a wide range depending on the brands and products. The rate can range from a few percent for products like books or software to 10% or more for higher ticket items like electronics and travel bookings. Another standard feature of Impact is its advanced tracking and reporting tools. You get access to real-time data, which allows you to monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings. This makes it easy to optimize your campaigns and boost your earnings. Overall, Impact is a top-tier affiliate network with an opportunity to partner with some of the biggest brands in the world. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale up your affiliate business, Impact has the tools and network to help you succeed. Finally, the number 1 affiliate networks in our list is Amazon Associates. It is one of the most popular and widely recognized affiliate programs in the world. If you have ever shopped on Amazon, you have probably noticed affiliate links in blogs, YouTube videos, and websites everywhere. What makes Amazon Associates so powerful is its wide variety of products available for promotion, from electronics to home goods to books and beauty products. There is something for every niche. The platform is incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Once you sign up, you can easily generate affiliate links for millions of products with just a few clicks, and you don't need a website to get started. Even sharing links on social media or YouTube works. The commission rate varies depending on the product category, but it can range from 1% to 8%. While it may not sound like much, the volume of sales on Amazon means the potential to earn big, especially if you're recommending high ticket items or products that have a lot of demand. Sadly, the Amazon Associates has a 24-hour cookie window. This means that if someone clicks your affiliate link, if they don't buy the product right away, you will still earn a commission on any item they purchase within 24 hours of clicking your link. It's a very short cookie window as compared to most affiliate programs in our list. For anyone starting out in affiliate marketing, Amazon Associates is a no-brainer. It's simple to join, and the trust people already have in Amazon makes it one of the easiest ways to start earning passive income right away. So there you have it, the 7 best affiliate networks you need to join in 2025 to start making money online. Each of these platforms offer unique benefits, so it's important to explore them and see which one works best for your audience and niche. Ready to start earning? Check out the links in the descriptions to get started with these networks. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing tips and strategies, make sure to subscribe to Digital Anka YouTube channel and ring the bell for more valuable content like this. Drop your questions and share your affiliate marketing journey in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram at digital_RNK for more valuable tips on digital marketing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.